Go ahead, Nathan.
Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel and we got Mr. the packages. We not just show you the address because not the address. So we got a package for Giants and we do not know what it is. My dad know what it is. And I see a jersey with one of the baseball players.
Okay. The clues we have, it's from the San Francisco Giants. It weighs 12 pounds and it makes that kind of noise.
Yeah.
I think it's a uniform.
Okay. Sass?
Oh, I think it might be a base.
Me, the camera recorder, I think it's a stadium chair.
Stadium chair. Interesting.
That's a great guess.
The box, yeah. Let's see.
Dad, what do you think it is?
No, he know what it is.
Oh, Dad knows what it is?
I know what it is.
How does he know what it is?
He bought it.
I thought it came from San Francisco Giants.
They
It
did.
did.
But who's it addressed to?
Yeah. Oh, I thought we weren't telling him that part. My bad.
Watch out, son.
Why don't you get a new knife?
Right there.
Hold on. Let me open up this side now. Okay, go ahead.
Wait, hold on.
Oh.
Whoever's right gets to pick what we have for dinner tonight.
Okay.
Okay. Want to get closer? Hold on.
Bubble wrap.
Bubble wrap?
Oh my God.
What is that?
I already see what it is.
Whoa, what the heck?
Take
It's
it
a
out.
tea.
Take it out.
What the heck is that?
Oh my God. That is so cool. Put it down. Oh, that is like cool. Look at that. It's a game used
Who
base.
said it was a base?
Look at that. Don't step on it.
Step on it, buddy.
Look, it's from the Giants
Who said
in
it
Washington. That's a
What?
goal.
So, what
Guess
do you
she's
like?
picking what we're having for dinner tonight. Damn.
I won.
There it is. So it's from the 2016 season. It was a game against the Washington Nationals. And on
It
the
says the
side
date
somewhere,
right
yeah.
here.
Right here on the side. And it was a game used from July 28 through July 31. It's pretty cool. It's got a lot of dirt on it, huh?
Okay, wrap up the vlog.
It is
You know what I think?
Wrap
Looking
up
at
the
it, I
vlog.
think it's from first base, huh?
Yeah, because
Blades.
everything's on the
Everything's
inside.
on this side right there. Second base would never get that dirty, and
No.
third base would never get that dirty.
Or it could be third base if it was like this, because you would touch
You would slide in.
this
Possibly.
side, or you would
Yeah.
slide into it. Okay, wrap up the vlog.
Okay.
So it was a base. It came with the
Stand.
base to put actually in the wood.
Can mount it, yeah.
Yeah. So it's gonna go in the front yard.
It'll be gone.
Dad, no. No.
All right, guys.
Okay.
All right, bye.
I hope you liked the video. Mr. YouTube channel. Bye.